Hey guys, this is Andrew coming to you with another review. This time we're doing the Tidal Classic Leather 2.0 lace-up boxing gloves. And this is a different type. This is kind of a different different glove I'll be doing because unlike the other gloves I've done up to this point, these are pure lace-up gloves, and I'm actually somewhat excited to see how these hold up. So let's do it. Now that I'm all wrapped up. Okay, my first thoughts on these gloves. These these feel pretty good. I like the genuine leather of this, like especially since I normally don't find many boxing gloves that are on sale for 60 bucks at most that are genuine leather. I do appreciate finding gloves like these, and they look really good. They are pretty much have that classic boxing glove look, mainly because of the lace up and just the overall simplicity of it. And I also like how the logo is stitched on the edge because the edges on it are just ingrained deep in the glove, so that way we don't accidentally graze our opponent. And the reason I'm saying this is because many times the logo, when it's plastic on many gloves out there, they normally it some of it is hit or miss when it comes to how it's stitched on the glove. And this is definitely a hit because the edges are so deep into the glove that you don't accidentally graze your opponent, and I do appreciate that. And I also like how it really makes it clear how that's a genuine leather glove. So that's another that's another great side to this glove. So yeah, from first impressions of this, I like this. This seems like a very good looking starter pair of lace-up gloves. So now let's get on to the part the part of the review where we go weigh them and then test them on the bag. The left glove. 15.8 ounces. Not bad. Fairly close to 16 ounces as advertised. Now for the right glove. 15.8. Still pretty good. Close to 16 ounces like the left one. So that's very impressive that the gloves are close to the weight advertised. So I'm giving Tidal a thumbs up for this. Now that we're back from the weigh-in, let's get started on the other part of the review where we test how these are on the bag. Pretty solid stuff. Pretty solid stuff. So yeah, guys, these are some very solid gloves, and I like the genuine leather, the feel, and the size accuracy of these gloves. So I'm giving these around a 4 to a 4.5 out of 5 for just the overall gloves. So I appreciate them so I appreciate Tile for making such a good pair of lace-up gloves, especially for anyone who's starting. Now, if you're on a budget and want a good pair of lace-up starter gloves, the starter lace-up gloves, then I'm going to recommend these gloves. I mean, if your budget is if your budget is under under $60. So I would definitely think that these are a good budget glove, especially in the lace-up department if you are looking for something for or you to use during that time until you can save up for a higher brand. But Tile still makes some pretty good stuff as well. So Tile still makes some good stuff even if it's on a budget. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll be sure to send out more content for reviews, and give me your thoughts on not only this glove but also this review. So take care, guys. Bye.